Hey y'all, welcome to Faith with Annie. In this video, I wanted to show you my small little Dollar Tree haul along with this really awesome pen that I got today at Barnes & Noble. I picked up just a few little things at the Dollar Tree and I wanted to show you. Right now, they're kind of like transitioning at the one over by my house and they only had a few things, but I wanted to show you what I got. Make your own gem stickers. Now, I've not opened these. I don't really know what these are about, but let's check it out. So there are no instructions, but inside the little book is this gem sheet, and then it's full of stickers. So I'm assuming you put these gems on the stickers, and then you have gem stickers. Cute. We'll see what I can do with this. Then I got this Tear and Share a Prayer. So you color them and then you can tear it out and give it to people. I thought that's cute. I can either do that or I can use this in Bible journaling. Maybe I'll do a little bit of both. Cute stickers. These. Let me show you what we got here. Cute cards to color with a verse of scripture. If nothing else, this would be good just for some quiet time, kind of meditation. You can concentrate on the verse and color and keep the verse in your mind while you're doing it. This is really cute as well. I just really liked this one. I thought it was cute. I'll figure something out. I also got a Bible word search. Just something cute, really cute little book to put on my bedside table. And I can do these throughout the day, or I might actually bring this downstairs and put it on the table beside my sofa maybe. Just somewhere where I can see it and be reminded of it and do this. I thought it might be something fun to do. So that's it. That's just my little Dollar Tree haul, and now I will show you the first time using my really cool pen. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, comment down below. I will answer to the best of my ability. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do so that we can help each other grow in our faith and our walk with God. Bye, y'all.